Hey, back again with new video guys. This is Poco F55 or the Redmi Note 12 Turbo Custom ROM reviews. Back with again MiUi version here. You guys can see MiUi by Xiaomi EU 14.0.27.0 mod edition. This is again you get all the detailed information specs here. Android security patch is November here, and kernel use here is 5.10.149 Android 12/9. You can read here. This is how the kernel used, and typically you get MIUI stuff here, and this widgets you can actually find out here. As you can see, even in this section you can see security. Again you get these kind of widgets here. If you want, you can drag them and add into your home screen, and even in categories. For example, if you want to add the dog, we'll add here, download the stuff here. Yeah, takes a little bit of time. Yeah, now it's working. As you can see, let me increase a little bit of volume here. Yeah, and this is how the animation of this particular widgets, and this is typical home screen and app drawer here. There's a quick settings toggle. It's not a HyperOS guys, it's a MIUI 14 build, and this is settings. Very recently I have made China mod, and this is EU mod here. Nothing major difference. This is the version difference. And connection sharing, again you get MiShare, caching, printing, private DNS, VPN, wireless display, always on display is present here. Just toggle it out, and display items you can always keep it out if you want, and you can keep your image, and everything is same stuff here. Nothing fancy or any new stuff. Notification effect also you can keep it out, and we'll go into this glance for me. Just don't enable that. And charging animation, if you want you can keep it flow, glow, wave here. And wallpapers and personalization here, if I can, yeah, here these super wallpapers, however it will not get downloaded. That I don't know why it is happening. And this MIUI 14 wallpapers are pre-installed here. The UI is really cool and smooth here. Fonts, again you get Mi Sans by default. You can adjust them, and from themes application you can download plenty of them. In the display settings you get light mode and dark mode. Dark mode is pitch black condition. As you can see, even the widgets are also going to fit into that dark mode here. Schedule dark mode and other options we get here. Color scheme, again saturated, warm. I have kept advanced settings are also going to get here. As you can see, you can adjust them. And AI image engine, just HDR enhancement is given. Color scheme I explained. Refresh rate up to 120, 90 option is also there, but keep it out default here. Font settings, again it revert back to the same settings what I said. Again sound and touch here. Additional settings you get these things. Do not disturb, you can even schedule, notify, and check out some of the features here. Profile video for incoming calls, that you can make. Sound effects, again you will get Dolby Atmos here. Equalizer, some of the settings will get while using earphones. The earphone quality is also fine here, no problem. And now moving into home screen, again it's a lot more customizable guys. This is completely different. Yeah, in HyperOS I'm expecting this kind of very soon. Animation speed, you can choose relax, balance, and fast from here. Animation speed when open app, you can adjust the intensity. Disable if you don't want any animation, just disable this. System navigation, again gestures and buttons and some of the options you can see, and the maintenance name. And -1 screen, again if you want to make Google Discover you can make it out. And home screen, again with tab drawer, classic and light mode, you get all these options here. Unlock animation, if you go back to MIUI 11 or folder optimized one, you can do that. And search bar provided also, you can select both the options are provided. And here search bar style, again currently it's default. Let me make it to monet here. As you can see, this is how it looks, really cool. Rounded widgets, old widgets provide font that you can enable from here. Speed, level, folder close, bounce, and rounded super icons outlined instead of icons, you can do that. Arrange items in recents, horizontal IO style, hide status bar, hide task title, hide floating windows, click button style. Again you can select here if you want oxygen style here, as you can see, and blur in recent images. You can see there are plenty of customizations here in this home customization. Now moving into passwords and security, you get screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock here. Privacy protection, simple here. Let me show the fingerprint and face unlock. This is the fingerprint unlock. As you can see, it's very smooth and responsive and very fast enough. Now let me show the face unlock here. That's also very much quick here. And moving into other settings like battery, again you get these 4 modes here. I recommend to use performance mode if you want extra energy, extra performance. Battery saver, when there is less juice in your battery, then you can use ultra battery saver. It's once in lifetime you can use. Very emergency that you have just 1% of battery, then you can use. Other than that, that's not going to be useful. If you use it in day-to-day use, it will actually drain the battery. If you keep it in ultra battery saver, it will actually drain the battery. Screen time and again other settings are moved down here. Smoothness in the UI is present here. Camera, again you get this kind of camera here. MiUi Leica integrated. In the video mode you get 4K 60 fps option is also provided here, and more you will get all these options here. Super mode option is also included here. Dialer, again as you can see, direct video call feature is available, and call recording is also available. It will not announce the other person that you are recording the call. You can check out in the file manager. These are the simple apps and results I want to show. This is the Geekbench score result. 1122 is a single score, 4233 is a multi-score. Again, Android version 13. This is Linux 5.0.149 is the kernel used. Marble in as recognized here, and 230 Mbps with Wi-Fi connection, guys, and with 5G plus 330 Mbps. And this is the level 1 certified and Dolby Vision certified. And this is a read write test with numericals and graph, and charging rapidly. 67 watt charging support is there. It's quite similar to any of the MiUi 14 ROMs, just you get that mod here in home screen. And this are the settings panel. Everything is fine here. I haven't faced any issues as of now. Let's see BGMI, how it handles in this particular ROM. You guys can see the graphic settings here, smoothness 90. That's the great thing in this particular ROM. And if you want to enable gyroscope, you can do that. I'm not a gyroscope player, guys, but I want to. Oh shit, I didn't even get a chance to. And shots 2 bullets. And we'll keep here and show you this thing. The performance mode will now activated, and other settings, voice changer and all everything we will get actually. We'll come back here. That's how the gameplay here. I really enjoyed playing games in MiUi 14, guys. HyperOS still need that performance boost in HyperOS build ROMs, but as of now there are these two builds, the China mod and this one EU mod. Everything is same. I haven't faced any issues in both the ROMs. And the safety net status result, I forgot to show this. It will get passed, no need to worry. watching OTT applications also in DRM information. Yeah, as I already shown, and payment applications you can use. You can use it as a daily driver, guys. This is the review on this. We have 14.0 sorry, 14 point, what's the version, I completely forgot. 0.27.0. It's really usable. Use it as a daily driver. I really like it. Haven't faced any issues. It's stable enough to use as a daily driver. Even gaming is also very good. This is Sampath. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smelling. Bye bye for now.